Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. This haul is from CVS. This is part one of my haul that I'm doing. Tomorrow I'm going to do another haul, and it's going to include a lot of the unilevel products, like for your hair, like uh, I might get some Pantene and I might pick up some Suave and stuff like that. Dial, uh, yeah, because there are this new app that they have for coupons.com. Now they have coupons, and this week they have a lot of unilevel coupons, and you get back $2, $3. I mean, you could earn a lot of money just by purchasing those products. And then what it is that instead of you having to wait until you get $20 worth so that you can take the money out, they send the money right away to your PayPal. So you have to link your PayPal account with your coupons.com account. So, yes, so tomorrow I am going to be buying some of the Unilevel products that I talked about. All right. Okay, so this whole here, I'm just gonna tell you some of the things that I bought. I bought the Almay that you see right there, and the Almay was $6.99. I had a $5 off coupon, which was CRT that I was able to use, and then these three. Oh God, wait. Okay, uh, and then these three toothpaste here I bought, and they were, um, I think they were $3.99, but they're saying four. Let's see, four. I don't know what they do with these uh, coupons. One, two, three. But it was these three that I bought. Okay, and I thought they were okay. They were $4.59. All right, I had 50% off coupons, and I had $3 off of 18 for oral care. $3 off for oral care. I used 50-cent coupons for that. So it was this and this. All right, and here's my receipt. Let's take a look at the receipt. All right. You see that? You see what I'm telling you about the Almay? I don't know what they did, and then even with the toothpaste was not $6.99, and I also included the distilled water with this particular transaction. All right, so we go on down, and I paid $18.64. I got back $18, so it wasn't bad. Even though I paid, I got the money right back. So that was one transaction. Then another one was the Colgate toothpaste. I bought these two and these two together, and they were $3.69 and $3.99. Now I ended up with this Max Fresh because I thought that would also be part of the deal that gave you back $4 when you bought two, but it didn't. So, how much did I pay? I paid $4.36 for the four toothpaste, and I was gonna return the Max Clean, but look, I got $4 right back. So I decided no, I'm not gonna even return it. I'll just keep it, and it ends up like I paid 85 cents for all four of these because I got my $4 right back, right? So who am I going to run through the mill about that? All right, let me look at this receipt. Okay, Now, this next receipt was for the vitamins. I bought the Centrum vitamins. They were $11.99 each. Uh, you know how we normally have Centrum vitamin coupons? I really didn't have any. I just had a $5 off of 20, a $5 off of 25, $5 off of 25, and I had the extra care bucks that I had earned from this and this. All right, so let's look at this receipt. All right, you see that? So the 5 off 25, and then I had an 8, a 6, and a 4. Okay, so I had $18 that I used. I paid $12.96. And what did I get back? Oh, I got back $10. I got back $10. Okay, I got back $10. And what did I use that $10 on? Well, I use it on something. I'm just trying to see, what did I use the $10 on? Let's see. Oh, I used the $10 when I bought the toothpaste. See, right here. I used that $10. There it is. When I bought the toothpaste, and then that's when I paid $4.36. And that was for the Colgate. That was for this and the Max. Okay, so I ended up only paying $4.36. That's when I was telling you I earned a one $4 back. So that's why I didn't switch it or change it. So anyway, guys, that was all that I bought so for today. But like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get a lot of those Unilever products so that I can get that money back. And I'll let you know all about that when I do it on tomorrow. Okay, you know this is the eye makeup remover. This is stuff, the eye makeup free zone. That's makeup removal. But this is what I've got so far from CVS. I paid, but I earned my money back, so I feel good about it. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up the video, press that notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I do a video. Okay, guys. Good night. Or good day, whatever it is when you're watching it. All right, bye-bye. Love you much. Bye-bye.